today we are going to talk about our winter range, which is launching very soon, and we are going to take you through some very quick tricks of draping the stoles and the shawls. The stole you see here is a diamante stole, which is priced at $12.99, which can be easily paired with a corduroy kurtas, which will be available in 6 colors. And now Bev is going to show us some easy to drape tricks for the stoles as well as for the shawls.
So like you guys can see it on the mannequin, this is obviously one way you can wear it, which I'm sure all of you guys are aware of. But if you want to spice things up and make it look a little different, what you need to do is take it around your neck, get both the sides in front on either side. So you can either leave it like this, but what I would want to do is take it up a notch. I would tie a knot here and drape it. So the knot can be at the side, the knot can be in the center. And another thing I would do is completely drape the stole around your neck. It elongates your neck and makes you look taller in appearance. So you just drape it, you have it pinned at the back, and then you pull out and adjust depending on how you like it and how comfortable it sits around you. So these are two quick preppy ways of wearing a stole that are good to go in when you're in a hurry, you don't know what to do, just throw them on and drape them like this and they're stylish.
And like what Bev is saying, this stole is very soft and very easy to drape, so it's not going to be very difficult for you to drape it in various other manner as well. And now we are going to show you some ways of draping our shawls, which are our casual heavy winter shawls, and they can be easily draped with a range of melange kurtas, which are available in 5 colors.
So when you go to the store, there are obviously going to be a lot of designs available, and if you open them, you'll realize that some of them have some really pretty details on it. I think the best way to wear it is the classic way, where you can actually have the entire design visible, where you nicely drape it with the kurtas available. Another way that I personally like wearing it is I drape it around my neck like this. Just make sure it's even and equal on both sides. If you want it a bit messy, you can obviously keep it a bit messy. But I take it up a notch and I belt it at the waist, so it gives you a nice shape and it accentuates your waistline. You automatically have an edgy ethnic wear outfit that is smart and preppy. So this is another look that you all can try with the winter wear shawls, apart from just draping it.
So I really love what you've done, Bev, and it really looks very stylish. But for me, I'm a person who likes to be dressed up very comfortably, and I have picked up one of my personal favorites, and for me it would be more about just draping it around my arms for a very cozy and a casual winter day or an evening, and I would just take it around like this. This is how I would prefer wearing it. Apart from a beautiful range of stoles and shawls, we also have a range of basic winter trans-seasonal kurtas in solid colors. So to begin with, we have our melange kurtas priced at $1,099. Very simple, solid colors, clean silhouette with horn buttons to give a slightly winter feel. And this is an extreme comfort wear kurta, which can be paired with our charcoal bottoms available on the floor. And these are available in 5 colors. For extreme comfort, we have the same melange kurtas with pin tuck detailings and MOP buttons, and they can be a great evening wear if you pair them with matching bottoms. These kurtas are available in 2 colors, a light grey and a dark grey, priced at $12.99. For a great evening wear in winters, which can be outdoor or at home, we have a range of $12.99 corduroy kurtas. As you can see, they are very clean, straight silhouette, extremely comfortable with horn button detailings, and we've already shown you how you can style our matching diamante stoles with these kurtas, and they'll be available in 6 colors on the floor anytime soon.
So while styling these ethnic wear kurtas with the shawls and stoles, I would personally pick footwear that are closed, something like ballerinas and oxfords and lace-ups. So I have kept a few pairs over here as to the ones that I like from Westside that I would personally style with these kurtas.
For me, any outfit is not complete without a good fragrance, and my personal favorite is the range of Zuba perfumes in floral notes. I would love to wear my winter wear and step out using this fragrance. And if you want to shop whatever we have showed you today, if you like it, you can head out to our closest Westside store or shop online.